super excited because I got my motorcycle mirror. This is where I'm excited about the package because I got the new mirror versus having this flimsy, broken one from the accident that happened on Christmas. I'm also since I got a package out there. Woohoo! This is the CF Moto 450 SS. Let me tell you why I'm excited about my package is because it's missing a mirror and a signal light. Why? Because I had a little accident during Christmas. This is no longer my bike. Look at these little dents here and there. You know, nothing really major. A little scratch to the glass panel. We're gonna do an unboxing. And before you ask, why did I go with the Chinese bike? Is because it's beautiful, it's fast, and reliable. Keep in mind, KTM is not an American bike, but you guys all love it. And don't be a hypocrite, because most of you Americans like American trucks, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, you name it. But when it comes to bikes, you guys love the Japanese. There isn't a lie about that. But anyway, let's continue with that. Unboxing and the installation. Man, I got this. I had to actually order this from China because they didn't have it in Amazon. So, quick little story. I bought this bike for myself. A month later, I sold it to my uncle. But I was supposed to show him how to ride. And he rode it a few times. He actually had a smaller bike before. He got too confident. And, you know, he just dropped it. Not really an accident. You know, it's just a little drop. But it was enough to cause damage. I called the dealer. They were asking for $200. But I got this on AliExpress for nice. And it came with the connection. I got this for $60. So you cannot beat that. Boom. Now let me show you how to install. All right, this is my oldie handy toolbox. Need to repaint it. I know. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Well, I think they're already loose. Okay. So quick tip, if you ever want to remove this and change it or tint it or remove it to tint it, when you remove these 4 bolts, this glass will come out. Gosh, it's taking forever. Got the other one out. Okay, see how flimsy that is now? Okay, I'm gonna push it back in. First thing you gotta do is, you gotta hook up the power source. Okay. Actually, maybe I should test see if it works. We're gonna turn on the key and throw the signal left. Ooh, it's working, baby. I could go ahead and turn it off. And first thing you wanna do, you wanna shove this down. Shove this all the way down through the little hole right there. Because if not, it's gonna get stuck and it's gonna bend and just, you know, could get ripped. And I do not feel like ordering another one because from China, it took about 2 weeks. By the way, guys, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Okay, looks like it's holding. Now I gotta find the right size for this. But gotta take a while, guys. Nope, bigger than that. I think it's gonna be the middle one. Middle finger to the law. Nope, too big. Little finger to the law. It's okay. Okay, first you wanna do it by hand so you don't mess the thread up. Gotta find a hole, I'm zooming in correctly into the thing. Oh, I saw something there. When you feel it grab, okay, I'm doing this blindly. But yeah, as soon as you feel it grab, go ahead and continue tying. Once you feel it, that it went in, just go ahead and tie it. Tie it just enough until it feels tight, but not all the way through. Okay, that feels pretty good. Then we're gonna jump to the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna make it just a little tighter. Same thing here, just a little tighter. Let's see if it's got that function. Down. If you ever wanna go to the track, just flip it up. Boom. Since we're here, might as well give you a 360. Beautiful wheels, beautiful silver, beautiful pegs. Oh, let me jump on. Watch that screen. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe for the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Good night and sweet dreams.